Good evening, chat. Happy Saturday. Welcome, welcome. It's good to be here, fashionably late as always. You know how we go. But, I'm not going anywhere, really. And neither are you, hopefully. I hope you'll hang out. So, let's see. Let's start off, as always, by welcoming anybody who we have who's new. In the last few days, we have a new follower named All Odie, and I wanted to say welcome to you. Thanks for joining our happy little group of nerds here. And we're gonna make some music and keep chipping away at our PS3 controller interface today. What up, Beard Pills? Hello, hello there. Let's see, what else do we got going on? Oh no, you're not first. Sorry, not tonight. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, and also on stream news, we got 2 subscribers so far, and figured I'd set my first sub goal here. And if we get 10 subscribers, then we'll give ourselves a little vacation night. We can just hang out and chat, and I will play a video game for you. It'll be a good time. You can probably watch me fail repeatedly at Bloodborne. That's probably at the top of my list. Other things in consideration are Doom Eternal, or we could all play a game of Among Us together, and we can just chat. I figure I've probably got some programmers in here that want to learn stuff about, you know, what it's like to actually be in the field as a programmer or as a musician, what it's like to do interviews, how to prepare, how to get projects going, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll do a chat stream and we'll just play some games and it'll be mellow. That is the 10 sub goal. So if you feel like chipping in to help out the channel, then yeah, that'd be awesome. I'll buy me a green screen that doesn't get held up by duct tape. It'll be great. So yeah, I think tonight, this is gonna be what we're jamming on. This is a minimal techno track that we started with this awesome new piece of gear, the Electron Model Cycles, and yeah, we're gonna add some stuff to that today. We got this beat going. Some nice late night chords. Good late night stuff. Some rain. Oh yeah, that's not happening yet. Cut up, kind of noisy hi-hat patch. And here's where we left off with our PlayStation controller. And the thing that strikes me first about this is we've got a lot of the basic functionality in here. It's time to take some next steps and make this interface a little nicer to look at. Let's make sure we're connected up here. Select our controller from the menu. Oh, come on now. What's wrong? You were connected a minute ago. Now that everyone's looking, you're not? What's the deal? Hello? Okay, well, let's look at system preferences. And see what we have to turn off and on again. So Bluetooth says we are indeed connected. Alright. We have MIDI enabled. Maybe it's because we don't have an instrument here? Let's open the patch up and see what's happening here. Yeah, it looks like we don't have joystick data coming in. Let's reselect this from the menu. Nah, nothing yet. Off to an auspicious start tonight. Maybe it wants controller number 2 for unknown reasons. No? No? Apparently not. Right. Well, time to turn things off and on again. How are you, chat? Time to do some chatting. Let's close this. Maybe it's confused because I already had Max open somewhere else? Who knows? So... yeah. Let's save. I suppose let's quit live. Let's go all out here. Let's open live back up. What else we got? Let's open this set back up. Let's go find our patch. This was working last time. It's clearly just a connection issue. Alright, let's go Max MIDI Effects. PS3, New MIDI 2. Got this contact instrument open here that I wanted to use. Maybe I'll move that over here. Wonder if it blocks MIDI if you don't have an instrument there. We should really be seeing stuff, though. Starting the Max editor. Beardville says, I saw a cloud today and it was a nice cloud. Well, I'm glad. That's a good thing. I saw some clouds too. I'm glad it wasn't a bad cloud. Let's select this. Could we please have some stuff happening? Pretty please? Oh, what the fuck? Come on. What's happening here? Menu. How about number 2? Well, this hasn't happened before. How exciting. What do we do? I guess we can unplug it and plug it back in again. Very strange because it says it's connected here. Let's try unconnecting this. Because oddly enough, disconnecting, the actual word for it, disconnecting the PlayStation 3 controller has given me good luck in the past. How about now? Really? Menu. How about number 2? Alright, let's try hitting the PS button again. Lol, how exciting. Is there a tester type thingy for Bluetooth input? I mean, usually a good indicator of that is just the system preferences view there. If it's connected there, it usually means you're connected elsewhere. These error messages are irrelevant. They have to do with this B-patcher, and I'm quite sure that they do not have anything to do with us. But just for sanity's sake, I suppose, let's unlock this. Let's print. Let's see if we're getting anything at all out of the high object here. How very odd. Save. Hit menu again, just to re-initialize this. Let's reselect. Okay, it says we're focusing on the PlayStation 3 controller. And we should be seeing lots of junk, and we're not. Aw, come on now. This is gonna be a short stream. That'll teach me. Usually I test this real quick before I start the stream, and this time I didn't. To see if the computer is receiving Bluetooth. That is a good question. I'm seeing this is connected. I'm gonna try hitting the PlayStation button again. And to answer your question, no, I'm not sure. I haven't needed it up until this point. Yeah, these are just preferences in here. It says it's connected. Well, here's an idea. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's just open up Max by itself.
Hey, have you closed live and reopened it?
Yeah, I have closed live and reopened it, but thank you. Yeah, it's weird. It says it's connected to Bluetooth on system preferences, but it's not doing anything in live, so that's new. I'm gonna try opening my original Max patch.
It's weird where it doesn't connect in live.
Yeah. Joy of Missing Out says, I've had issues with Bluetooth with PD that was fixed by deleting the Bluetooth device, turning Bluetooth off, back on again in the OS, and then synced again. Yeah, that's a good idea. I have had issues with deleting and turning it back on again. But, so I'm a little hesitant to do that, but yeah, if this doesn't work, that's an idea. Very likely a glitch particular to PD, but maybe. Okay, cool. Found a thing, gamepadtester.com. Thank you, Beard Pills. Yeah, let's try this. Let's see if it connects to just, like, regular old Max for a place of sanity here. Select that. Yeah, nothing going. I wonder if it's just that it's low on batteries or something. I haven't had this plugged in a while. So I'm going to plug this back in here. Going to take a look in system preferences again. Yep, we're still connected. Yeah, sure. Let's take a look. So we can try deleting this from system preferences and reconnect it again. I'm curious to... I'm going to open up this gamepadtester.com. No gamepad detected. Alright. Ad blocker detected. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll come back to that. Thank you. That's a cool thing, though. Let's see. I appreciate you guys helping out. That's really awesome. This is exactly what I like doing this through. You know, this is why I like doing a stream, is I've got you guys at my back for this. Alright, let's try deleting this. We're gonna remove it. We're plugged in. Now I'm gonna hit the PS button again. There it is. It says it's connected right off. Nice. Cool. Let's quit out of Max again. Let's open it back up. This is not what I expected to be working on tonight. Okay, gonna select the device. Man, what the hell? Now buttons still aren't coming in. Nothing's coming in. Weird. Excuse me a second, chat. Yeah, alright. Ah. Checking my connections there. I'm back. Alright. Well, let's not panic. First for everything, right? Scoot in, fix my green screen here a bit. Alright, so we're getting nothing from there. Let's just take a look at the trackpad. We're getting trackpad stuff. Ambient light sensor. Yeah, we're getting that. So it's not the high object. I didn't think it would be, but good to have a sanity check. We click pull. Yep, nothing happening. Oh, god damn it. let's see. I suppose it's time to turn to Google. PS3 connect to MacBook Pro. Yeah, this is what I've looked at before. So, turn off your PS3 controller. So, are we quit out of everything? Let's fully quit Macs. We've quit Live. Turn off your PS3 controller by either on PS3, hold the PS button and turn off the controller, or on Mac, open the Apple menu, System Preferences, Bluetooth, click the X button on the device list. Yeah, okay, so we will do that. X button. It says not connected. Fine. Use a USB cable, connect the controller to your new machine you want. We are connected. We could try unconnecting and reconnecting. It's interesting that is... Okay, couldn't connect, that's fine. That's different at least. So... Wait just a second until the red light on the controller flashes. It is doing that. Unplug the USB cable. Now the controller setting is reset. Alright, I'm unplugging it. On your... Okay, connection request from the controller. Fine. We shouldn't need a passcode here. I'm going to just hit cancel on this. Yeah. On your computer, go to System Preferences, OS X, open Bluetooth settings, start scanning. Alright. Looks like it's scanning, though I could hit connect. Turn on the controller by pressing the PS button. Wait a few seconds. If it asks for access code, enter 0000. Alright, we'll keep that in mind if it asks again. Let's try hitting the PS button. Nah? Alright, let's try hitting connect. Yeah, sure, we're gonna remove. We're disconnected. There's the PS button. Now it says we're connected. Alright, let's give it another go. Fingers crossed, chat. Just so we don't have any other confusion. New patch. Just going to open the Hi Help menu. PlayStation 3. We're going to hit pull. And we have data. Hey, alright. Now I'm going to plug this in to let it charge, and that should still be fine. Sweet. Let's close that. That's kind of funny now. System Preferences says it couldn't connect, but we're going to ignore that because Max seems happy. Let's try opening this guy again. So, select. Buttons. Hey, we have buttons! Chat, we did it! We were not defeated. Thank you for your help. And we did not succumb to the darkness. Getting epic here. Let me adjust so you can't see my messy-ass room. We good? Yeah, mission accomplished, part 7. It's a new night, new missions. This is part 1. Holy crap, that was exciting. Yeah, usually I try to do that kind of thing without you guys watching, but I mean, really, it's all part of the process. And you can't let yourself get frustrated or panic, and that's definitely something that affects me still. And, you know, when you start panicking and thinking, like, this should be working, what's wrong, you know? then you're gonna miss stuff that's in front of you, and it was good to just go back and, like, remember, hey, we can just Google this, let's go through the instructions, and step by step, read all the things, and, you know, if it hadn't worked, we had other things we were gonna try. We had that GamePadTester.com site to come back to, and just thinking aloud a bit here. I guess while we're on the subject of debugging, one other piece of experience I can share is that an important thing I figured out when I was just getting into web development is that, like, fear is a powerful thing. And when you're working on a problem that's new and difficult to you, as you often will be, like, you will often be flying by the seat of your pants for one thing or another. Just have a list. It's part of my notes usually. Have a list of things that you're going to try. And always make sure that you have one more thing on that list, so you're never at the point where you're like, fuck, I have no idea what to do. Like, even if it's something that is as, you know, last-ditch resort as, I'm going to turn my computer off and on again, or I'm going to walk away for 15 minutes, get a drink of water, and come back to this problem. But, like, always have another thing that you're like, okay, well, if this doesn't work, I'm going to try this next. I'm going to try using this library. I'm going to try Googling this word. I haven't Googled this word yet. I'm going to try talking to this person. I'm going to try posting on this message board. There's always more shit you can try. And there's a psychological effect to always having some kind of a backup plan, so that you don't succumb to the fear and go like, oh my god, this is the problem. This is the one that I'm not going to be able to solve. Because there's always going to be another difficult problem. You're never going to run out of things that you don't know and things that you have to fix. And sometimes things break that you don't expect them to, like this. And you end up in a situation where you're like, oh man, I thought I fixed this. And it's all part of the process, I guess. So back to music making. Hopefully. Yeah, I wanted to add some of these cool little cassette plugs in here. So, I'm going to add some delay. My old favorites, some delays, some distortion, some reverb. Oh, wow! Hey, thanks for the subscription, Beardpills. I appreciate it. Goddamn. Subscribed with Prime, thank you. That means we are one closer to our sub goal of 10. And, yeah, at 10, y'all can pick a video game for me to fail at with you. It'll be a good time. And we can chat about, you know, stuff like debugging and getting your first programming job and stuff like that. Yeah, every little bit helps. Thank you so much. Let's throw a pedal on here. Oh, and one other thing about that was, if you guys have a video game you want to watch me play, then throw it into the suggestion box on Discord. And other suggestions about the stream and the server are all welcome there. And, yeah, always love to get your feedback. Nice. Yeah, let's throw some reverb on this. Make it nice and big. Yeah. Alright, cool. So yeah, we'll assign a couple of those notes. Let's make sure we're working over here. Go to Max for Live, go to the Max MIDI effect, PS3 New MIDI 2, please, thank you. Select the controller. Yay! We have notes in here too, chat. Look at that. Nice. Let's put the square button on F. Triangle button on A flat. This song's a little in between, oh, Untitled Goose Game! That's a good, I love Untitled Goose Game. I've played through that once, and, it was so much fun. But I haven't done any of the extra missions after you initially beat the game. That might be a good idea. Yeah, definitely throw that one in the mix. You'll notice there's a lot of honking that goes on in my chat. That's definitely why. Cool. Let's make... So last time we got it set up so that when you click a button, this B patcher flips over and we can assign to it here. We've got octaves, we've got velocity control. Oops. Yeah, that's enough. Nice. Let's assign our joysticks to something too. And I'm curious, if I open this up, is it still gonna work? That's what I want to know. Hello, pretty please. Please and thank you. Honk. Hi. Hello, Max. There you are. Thank you. Do I have to reassign this? Yeah, I do. Okay, that's fine. Boop. Ah. Okay. So it still works, just works kind of slowly. Let's get out of here, because I think that's going to cause some confusion. I didn't mean to quit the whole thing. Okay, well that's better. Let's make sure our joysticks are still working. I'm going to map this one. Let's throw a filter in here. That'll be good. Where's my filters? There we go. Filter before the delay and everything. Alright. Map that to resonance. Let's map this one to frequency. Good. We have our minimum and maximum controls. That's something new from before. We definitely want to change the maximum for our resonance so that we don't blow our ears or our speakers. And let's make the frequency range a little tighter too. Something like this. Awesome. Yep, so we got Y on resonance, X on frequency. We've got our minimum and maximum reversed. Let's try that. Our frequency isn't moving. Oh, there we go. There we go. little tighter control. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's working. Sweet. Let's save that. And let's pause this. Alright. And let's jump in here and we're gonna just... We had to spend a while debugging, but I want to get at least one thing done here. Let's update one little thing in our interface here that I think this is going to be useful and cool. A major kinda? Yeah, it moves around a little bit. It's got that kind of parallel minor chords feel that you get from some of that late night techno. I was kind of moving around in F minor to it. Let's see. Come on, Max. I have ideas. I have things I want to do. Please open. Hello? Hello, Max. Can I please? Come on now. Thanks, glad you dig it. Are you digging the song or are you digging Max being totally uncooperative tonight? The answer is yes. Yes, come on, Max. Okay, fine. We're gonna save. We're gonna quit. We're gonna reopen it one more time. And I'm gonna get one thing added to this patch tonight if it's the last thing I do. Open recent. Both the song and the reaction. Okay, good. Yeah, sometimes the Max gods are just going to put tests in front of you to test your patience. We will wait. How are you, chat? How are things? I hope they're good. Starting Max Editor. Do 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 do. Starting Max Editor. Are you really starting the Max Editor? I see it there. There it is! Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Nifty. So, yeah, what the fuck was I doing? Oh, yeah. Alright, so I was going to... Here's all our joystick stuff. I was just going to do this. There's like, Now I'm gonna have to Google it, I think. 1 second. XY plane max MSP. Using XY coordinates to draw. There's like a 2D XY thingy UI interface object that I'm looking for. Let's see. Objects. Max. Let me see. There's N slider, multi slider. It's kind of like multi slider. Touch in, touch out. Oh my god, what is the thing called? Hold on. 2D? No. I swear it's like an... Oh, my green screen's slipping. Thank you. Maybe I have to... Is it this way? Thank you. Don't want you guys seeing my messy room. Let's see. LCD. I wonder if this is what we want. Yes! That might be what I was looking for. LCD. I'm specifically looking for, there is a Max user interface object that lets you kind of visualize XY coordinates. So you can draw in this, that's cool. That might be kind of fun. So these are all messages you can send to it. Panel is just colored background. Yeah, this isn't exactly what we want, but I thought it would be maybe one of those related ones. Going crazy. What was it called? Isn't there a list of just Max UI objects? Max cycling 74 user interface objects. Presentation mode. How about a list of them? Functional listing of all Max objects. Picture UI elements. Okay. Yeah, here we go. List of all Max objects grouped by function. Control. ATTRUI. Change. Yeah, it's got to be in here. Dictionaries. Yeah, no. Data, devices, files, interaction. Nope. Math, messages. Nope. Sequencing, system user interface. Thank you. Okay, button, comment, dialed, file flow num. It's got to be in here somewhere. Da da da. Panel? No. Picked slider. Is it picked slider? That's what I want. Picked slider. Yeah, that's not a great name. Picked control, picked slider. Yes, that's what I want. Thank you. Again, I'm glad I didn't give up. So I think, yeah, left inlet sets the horizontal value, right inlet sets the vertical value, and now we can actually see what our fucking joysticks are doing. It's gonna be great. So I think these are probably by default 0 to 127. Let's take a little look here. Yeah, it's like an XY deal, exactly. Because I'm finding it would be really helpful to just be able to see the joystick's position as we move it. Yep, I think 127. Yep, 127. Awesome. Yep, that's exactly what I want. Thank you. Alright. And I do believe that we have this scaled to 0 to 127 as well. Yep, because that's our MIDI. So all we need to do is steal this. So this is going to be left, left X, left Y. Let's turn these into receives. Alright, Y goes here, X goes here. Let's check that first. Are we enabled here? Yep, we are. And there we go. Haha. So that's what we want. Now when I'm moving the controller around, we can see our position, which is some helpful visual feedback. Nice. Let's just copy and paste that and make one for the right. Yeah, mission accomplished, part C. Yeah, we'll switch to letters. Thank you. Nice. R and R. That fits our naming scheme. And let's add these to the presentation. And now let's put these in here. Let's make these a little smaller. And let's label them. So this one is L, L. We need a little comment. Left joystick, X. Goes here. Right joystick, X. Let's line these up. And we're going to put the appropriate little thingy B-patchers under them. So that's left joystick X. Let's make that a little smaller. That's fine. Maybe we'll just make a little more room here. Those are lined up. Great. And then right joystick X, I think, is this guy. Yep. You're going to go right over here. Those are lined up. Let's scoot this over a little bit. Cool. Looks good. And let's make a little room here. And we're going to put this guy, which I think is that left joystick Y? It is. Cool. Oh, undo. There we go. Right. So we've got our mapping controls, and you can see the results of your mapping immediately. Okay. And make a little bit. Maybe we'll put this. Yeah, make a little more room. This right here. Cool, that's lined up. Let's copy this over. That's going to be right joystick Y. All right, nice. Let's move this out of our way temporarily. Let's put this here. All right. Scoot both of these up a little so they're not off the screen. Cool. 1, 2, 3. This one down so they're lined up. Looks good. Let's select everything except for this. Let's scoot it all over a bit. This is going to be very long for a bit, but cleaner. Then we're going to select this guy. I'm unselecting everything except for this. Scoot this back. Whoop, that's not what I meant. Undo. I want this, but none of these. Oh my god. Okay, fine. All of these. Now we're gonna unselect these. Take, oh yeah. Okay, oh I see what's happening. Trying to select this, and we unselect these, and we grab that. There we go. It thought I was selecting the bee patcher that was on top. This goes over here. Nice. And that should be good. Left a little bit. Left a little bit. There we go. Lock that. Save that shit. Close all of this. We don't need this anymore. Our Googling history of tonight, and there we go. Now, we still getting input here? No, we need to select this. That makes sense. It's probably reloaded. Okay, we got notes. And alright, hey, neat. And we have our joysticks. Look at that. Friggin' awesome. Let's remap. So we've got left joystick. Y is going to go to our filter, resonance. Oh, we already mapped that. Right, we ran into this before. Let's just map it something new. Y is going to be wet dry here, and X is going to be wet dry here. And let's do, yep, we've got our minimum and maximums. Make the feedback a little less. It'd be good to have the names show up here of what we map to, but that's a project for another night. And we're going to go right joystick Y, that'll be filter. Resonance. Right joystick X. Frequency. And cool. Looks good. Got to turn down the range on our resonance a little bit, but that should be good. And turn up the lowest frequency on the filter, turn down the highest one. Alright, let's map some notes. Square. Let's do F again. Triangle. Let's try C. R1. Let's try another C. X will do A flat. Circle will do B flat. And R2, let's do G. Nice, like that. And now this is cool because we have a visual representation with these XY planes of what our sounds kind of look like. So we know upper right corner is going to be up on the filter and with more wet dry on our delay. Yeah! Hell yeah! And just because I can't get enough of it, let's just throw an arpeggiator on here. Mostly because it frees my hands up to play with these joysticks. Let's put L1 on something too, and L2. Yeah. I think we're in the wrong octave here. Hello, come back sound. Filters open. Weird. Let's see, Beardpill says... Let me pause this. Can you color code the picked slider so that the filter is blue and dry wet is red? So the more you increase the filter cutoff, the more blue you add, and the more the dry wet, the more the red, and both together would make purple. Is that possible? Oh no, that's not a wall of text. Don't worry about it. That's definitely something we could look into. I wouldn't want to hard code things too much because we want to let this be mappable to whatever. You know, whoever's using this might not be putting it on the same things that I am. But doing some kind of color coding here would be nice, so you could see the circle maybe change color as it changes position. But for right now, for keeping it simple, at least we've got a display of X, Y, and where our controls are. So yeah, I would call that a victory. And yeah, we are slowly but surely chipping away at this. I would say my next step is that I want to take a little time to actually sketch what I want this interface to look like. I think we have a few extraneous things we could look at getting rid of next time. Some interface stuff here with, like, you know, we don't need to see this receive object. Now that we have things working, we don't need to see these node on-off buttons here. They're not doing anything. But just seeing this keyboard is really the main thing. We also don't really need this velocity control. It could be nice, but we're not really using it. So I think that is a necessary step in a lot of Max patches. When you get to a point where you're starting to see how this is going to be used, you see the things you're using most frequently, and you want to make those things easy to access. So yeah, we'll keep chipping away at this, chat. I hope you had a good time. And we powered through some difficult shit with the connection issues and got our little pick slider in there with the unrecognizable name. You'd think it would be called Coordinates or XY or something a little more memorable like that, but you know. Now we know, and we Googled it. So you got to see the process of Googling things. Let's go raid somebody, and I think I will call that a stream, because it's getting late. But until next time, we will do this again, probably next Friday or Saturday again, kind of settling into the weekend vibes. Who shall we raid? I guess, we raided Portal Walker last time. Let's go raid the, Gaming Kings. They're playing Apex Legends. Good dudes over there. Alrighty. Good night, all. Happy stream. And I'll see you on Discord. Da, 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 da. Oh, where'd it go? Start raid. Thank you. Raid now. Alright, good night, guys.